Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're doing an unboxing of this backpack right here. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Susie and this is the travel bag. Today we're going to do a review of the SwissGear 17.5 inches Scan Smart TSA laptop backpack in black. This right here. This is a great backpack, you guys. Okay, so this backpack has a lot of features, a lot of compartments, so we're gonna dig right in, shall we? This backpack has a specific pocket for your sunglasses that's protected 100%. I'll show you. It has a pocket for your bottle. It has really nice shoulder straps, and then it has an add a bag feature which allows the backpack to slide over the handle of your suitcase, which is a feature many other backpacks have. It's not exclusive of this one, but it's pretty cool that they added this. And then it has a reinforced handle. You can see it right here. It's very comfortable to grab it, and it has a front carabiner. It's very strong. You can put here your hand sanitizer, sun lotion, and then once we open it, you're gonna see it's TSA friendly because it has a feature where you can put your laptop and you can actually open the backpack and let it go through the belt when you're going through the TSA check. So let's open every single pocket. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is open the pockets on the sides. It has one pocket right here, and then it has another pocket. Actually, it's not a pocket. This is for your bottle of water, and this is a pocket. The pocket is very deep. It opens in a very deep angle. So right there, fits a lot of stuff. And here you can put your bottle of water. It fits a big bottle of water. It also has this feature so that when your backpack is completely zipped up, you can close this, you open it, and you can close it like this and make sure that the contents are safe, even if the zipper, for whatever reason, opens up. So this will keep the backpack tight. It has another front pocket right here on top of the carabiner. Another pocket here that's pretty deep. Look at my hand, it goes all the way down to the bottom. It has this other front pocket that's really cool. It opens like this, like so. Pretty wide as well. And then inside you have even more pockets here. You can even put your pen. It has a dedicated slot for your pen. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pockets right there in this front pocket. That's great for those of us that like to have all our stuff in different pockets once we're traveling, because it's easier to find. And then here you have the tag, but this is a place where you put your glasses. And this is protected. This has this really little nice fleece, and then this is deep here, so you can put your glasses here. They're going to be protected. Okay, they're not going to be squished because they're like somewhere in the bag. Now this is really protected. It's hard. Okay, so now let's go into the bigger pocket. Here, see, this is the back of the glasses, glass case. And this is the backpack. You can put your separate belongings here. This is a mesh type of compartment, so you can see the content inside. Here the label says it's for your adapters. You can use it for whatever you want, obviously, but that's what it says it's for. And then it's actually really big. See, I could almost fit inside this. There's so much that fits inside this backpack. And then the final pocket right here in the back, all the way here, This goes right against your bag. And this is the feature that is Scan Smart. You can put your computer right here, slide it here, right there. It's protected. This is the back. It's protected. Put it like this. You can put your other things here. You can put here your tablet. It says it's for the tablet. Again, you can use it for whatever you prefer, but the label says it for the tablet. And then you just lay this flat on the belt when you're going through TSA. And then you don't need to get your computer out of the bag at all, which is great because those belts are really, really dirty. You don't want to put your computer there and then have to wipe it up, especially these days with COVID around and flu season and all of that. So yeah, this is the backpack. Again, for good measure, you can look at it. Everything is really nice quality, really nicely done. Super, super strong. I like it tons. It says it has airflow. This is so you don't sweat a lot when you're wearing it. It has this mesh here. So yeah, I hope you like this show and tell of this backpack. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe for more videos like this one. See you soon, you guys.